How to insert a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Here, you'll need a developer option. If you don't have one, to add one, click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen, select Options. After you select Options in here, on the left side, go to Customize Ribbon, and in Customize the ribbon, scroll down and select Developer. Make sure there's a tick mark, and then press on OK. After you press on OK, you'll find the Developer option in the Word. Simply click on Developer at the top. Then here you'll find Checkbox. Simply click on it, and checkbox will be added. Now it is clickable checkbox. You can click on it to add cross or add tick mark. And this is how to insert a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.